Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on quadratics and applications. This question says, last year at a local high school, the yearbook cost $75 and they sold 500 books. Realizing not many students were buying yearbooks, a survey was given. They found that for every $5 less they charged, 100 more books would be sold. All right, write an equation for the revenue of yearbooks per student, B of X. Okay, so revenue is equal to the cost times the quantity. Revenue isn't profit. Revenue is the money coming in. So the revenue, B of X, well, the cost is currently $75, and every time we drop by $5, we drop $5, so minus 5x, if we let x be $1, then the quantity of 500 goes up by 100. So $75 goes with 500, but if we drop it $5, we'll get 100 more. If we drop it $10, x equals 2, we'll get 200 more, so on and so forth. Here's our base equation. It says, at what cost will the yearbook committee maximize their number of yearbooks sold? Because at the end of the day, that's what we're really worried about, is maximizing revenue. So maximize, whenever you see the word maximize or minimize, what we're really talking about is the vertex. And since this is not in vertex form, we actually need to multiply this out. So I'm going to do the distributive property with stacking. 75 times 500 is 37,500. 75 times 100x is 7,500x. Negative 5 times 500x is negative 2,500x. And 5x times 100x, it's going to be a negative 500x squared. So I'm going to rewrite this as b of x equals 37,500 plus 5,000x minus 500x squared. Well, the vertex, the way we find the vertex, the way we find the input of the vertex is we do x equals negative b over 2a. If you think about that quadratic formula, this is the quadratic formula without the plus or minus, which means it's that center point, the turnaround point. So if we want to know when this is maximized, we need to do this calculation. This is key in a lot of problems. Okay, x equals, realize this number is a, this number is b, and this number is c. It's not the order it's written. A is what's multiplied to the squared term. B is the coefficient of the non-squared power of 1 term, and c is the constant. Okay, so negative b is going to be negative 5,000 over 2a, 2 times a negative 500, which when we calculate that out, we get 5. So the cost from above is 75 minus 5x, which is going to be 75 minus 5 times 5, which is 25, which is going to be a cost of $50. We'll maximize the revenue. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!